The IGO Cam 65R from Uniden is a dual-function dashcam for drivers that require more than one camera. The IGO Cam 65R features a reverse camera, providing a dual-camera setup with two-channel recording. The additional rear-facing camera means greater coverage, recording all the action on the road, in front of and behind the vehicle. Video is captured and recorded at 2.3K on the front camera and Full HD 1080p on the rear camera. The 2.4-inch LCD colour screen for menu setup and playback gives you maximum screen size to look at. The ultra-wide 150-degree lens adds to the field of vision available and provides an even greater chance of catching all the action. A GPS antenna in the dashcam enables geotagging, recording the location and speed of the vehicle. A built-in speed and red light camera warning alerts you to any upcoming fixed speed or red light cameras. The impact detection feature of the IGO Cam 65R means video starts to record and save once triggered by an impact. Uniden also recommends the use of an optional hardwire kit to ensure this feature is used when the car is parked, switched off and left unattended. WDR, or wide dynamic range, balances the light on days of high contrast or at night when lights are bright, giving you sharper footage and far greater clarity. And finally, a footage lock protection feature means recorded footage is safe and locked off, so it can't be lost or recorded over. Capture the facts, not an opinion, and give yourself peace of mind with the IGO Cam 65R dashcam from Uniden, leaders in in-car smart technology.